Welcome to Project Insight. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use rates. In Project Insight, the use of rates is mainly done through rate cards assigned to specific companies. In order to use rate cards, you must have the company's add-on installed. Today, we won't be going over rate cards. However, for more information on rate cards and how to create them, you can reference our existing videos and documentation on the subject. In Project Insight, there are two main kinds of rates. Your rate, which includes cost of labor and expenses. The second type is your billable rate, which is used for charging clients. As you can see on this task list, we have this example task, which is scheduled to take 12 hours of work. And going over the columns, the work rate column shows the actual rate of the task. So this example task is rated at $10 an hour, which means the scheduled work time, which is the rate times the hours, would be $120, which puts the predicted work total at $120. The next column is the actual expense column. This column is for any expenses pertaining to this task specifically. This results in an actual total column of $716. If we click on this cell, we can see that this is because the actual hours spent on this task were 20 rather than the scheduled 12, which results in an actual total of $200. And that's a basic overview of rates in Project Insight. For more information on rates, such as rate cards, companies, and billing customers, you can reference our existing videos and documentation on those subjects.